Today we are solving May 2025 IAL Unit 2 question number 5. So Green Gas PLC is a company that is supplying gas to western area of the country in August 2025. So in the first part of the question we had prepared revenue budget for that company. Then for the next part, Green Sea Gas must hold a 1 week supply of gas. Prepare an inventory budget for each of the 4 months starting from September to December, showing the inventory units in the first day of the each month. Okay, so if we see, it should hold 1 week supply of gas on the first day of each month. So in the first day of each month, it is going to have at least 400 units in September. It should have, because that is the consumption or the weekly usage per customer. So on the first day it should have 400 unit, which is the consumption, and hence that is the inventory that needs to be held with the business. For the month of October it will be 500 units. For the month of November it will become 625 units, because that is a consumption, and so the business will have to hold 1 week supply of gas. And finally for the month of December it will be 750 units. Now let's see how many number of customers are there, which we had already calculated in the part A of the question. The total number of customers for each month. In the month of September it was 285,000 customers were there. So let's write it here, 285,000, and it was the same for the month of October, so it is 285,000. And for the month of the November it increased by 10,000, so 295,000, and then the number of customers increased by 10,000 in December, so 295 plus 10, that is going to be equal to 305,000. So these are the number of customers you have. So the units required for the inventory is going to be 400 into 285,000 customers. September, the business needs to have 400 units into 285,000. 400 units is per customer usage. So and the business has at least 285,000 customers. So the total units that needs to be held by the business on the first week of September is going to be 400 units into 285,000, that is equal to 114 million. I think it's followed by 114 million pounds. Units, that is the number of total units required on the first day of September. Then in the month of October, on the first day they need to have 285,000 into 500 units on the first day. So it is 1425, 142, 500,000. So this many units they need to have on the first day of the October week, starting October week. Then in the month of November it is 625 units which was used per customer, and there are totally 295,000 in the month of November. So that is going to be equal to 184375 followed by 30. So 184,375,000 units needs to be there. Then in the month of December it is 750 units into 305,000. So that is going to be equal to 228,750,000. So this much units they need to have on the first day of every week in that month. So let's write it here. The units required is for the month of September it is 114 million units, and for the month of October it is 142,500,000 units. Okay. So 142,500,000. Then for the month of November, it is 184,375,000. Then for the month of December, it is 228,750,000. So in the month of November, okay, it is 184,375,000. Just fill it up.